When I look in the mirror, I see my past, and I try to look with compassion on my face, with nourishment and love and care. I try to look at myself like a mother looks at her child. For me, to be glamorous means to be fully you. To sparkle, like to be a sun in my life. To inspire people, and when I see people walking down the street and looking glamorous, it inspires me to be even more glamorous than what I can be. If I had a really amazing performance and I did my makeup for 3 hours and I took a picture after the performance and all my lipstick is a bit smudged and my lash is a bit down, so I can use Facetune and just to glam it up a bit. I remember there were times in my life that I was not 100% true to myself and that I didn't express myself as I wanted. All of this energy, this life energy that I hold within me was suppressed, and now I take this life energy and I express it.